Let's review how to change an improper fraction to a mixed number. An improper fraction is a fraction in which the numerator is greater than the denominator. Okay, so here in my example, 21 tenths, 21 is greater than 10. So we're going to change that into a mixed number. Okay, so how I do that, and if you remember me saying in class before, every fraction is really a division problem. All right, so this is really 21 divided by 10. So I want to think, well, how many groups of 10 can I get from 21? How many groups of 10 can I get from 21? So I can think 21 divided by 10, or I can think, well, 10 times 2 is 20. 10 times 3 is 30. That's too many, right? So 10 times 2 is 20. But 10 times 3 is 30, and that's too many. I'm trying to get to 21. So I'm not going to use that. I'm going to use 2. So 2, I can get 2 groups of 10 from 21. And I would have, if I took 20 away, right, I would have 1 left over. 1. And my denominator is going to stay the same. I could do this in a division problem like this. 21 divided by 10. Okay, 10 times 2 is 20, and I have a remainder of 1. 2 is my whole number, 1 is my numerator, my remainder is my numerator, and my denominator stays the same. My divisor is my denominator. Okay, we're going to try another example. What if I had the fraction 16 thirds? Okay, again, 16 is greater than 3, so we're going to change it to a mixed number. All right, so same thing. I want to think, well, how many groups of 3 can I get out of 16? So I have 16 divided by 3. I think about my 3's times tables. 3 times 5 is 15. I think that's the closest I can get because 3 times 6 is 18, and that's too many, so I'm going to do 5. 3 times 5 is 15. And I'm going to have 1 left over. All right, so 16 thirds, 5 is my whole number, 5 and 1 third, 5 and 1 third. Okay, my quotient is my whole number, my remainder is my numerator, and my denominator is staying the same, it's the divisor. Let's try one more example. Let's say I had 28 fifths. 28 fifths. Again, 28 is greater than 5, so I need to rewrite this as a mixed number. All right, I'm going to do a division problem to find out my mixed number. So 28 divided by 5. How many groups of 5 can I get from 28? Well, 5 times 5 is 25. When I subtract, I have 3 left over. My remainder is 3. My quotient is 5. My quotient is my whole number. My remainder is my numerator. And my denominator stays the same. It was my divisor. Stays the same. So 28 fifths is equal to 5 and 3 fifths. So 28 fifths is an improper fraction. 5 and 3 fifths is the mixed number. They are equal to each other. All right, I hope this was helpful.